Whether it's shutdown season or you just need to stay safe on the job, Ergodyne has got you covered with this week's feature product. Check out the Squids tool lanyard. Nearly all shutdown and work sites require tools to be tethered when working at heights in order to prevent the chance of a coworker being injured by a job object. It's also handy not having to get down and search for the tools you fumbled. Just pull the lanyard up and it's back in your hands. Capable of carrying up to 10 pounds, this lanyard is built with a stretchable, wear-resistant polyester cord that works as a shock absorber to reduce the forces applied to your body when a job occurs. Each connection point is secured with high-strength nylon stitching, and the aluminum manual locking carabiner ensures that the tethered tool will not slip off. While some tools nowadays have built-in tethered points, there's still plenty out there that might leave you scratching your head on how to secure them. Some people resort to tape, while others tie knots around them. However, if you want a convenient Canadian solution, check out our previous feature product on the PeakWorks tool collar clamps. So, let's keep our tools secured and the worksite safe with this week's feature product, the Squids tool lanyard from Ergodyne. What's your favorite tool tethering method? Let us know in the comments. And follow the channel so you can keep up to date with all the latest feature products. Have a great Canadian day.